You are going to love the 2014 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find Bluetooth, trip computer, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.